Alright, we're using boiled linseed oil, and this is a piece of furniture, metal on my patio, and then you can see how the sun has oxidized it. And we're just going to take and rub it on there carefully, and it will form a hard protective surface. Farmers use this on their farm equipment and protect it from rust. Real durable, and it's a cheap way to bring this piece back to life, short of having to repaint it. Well, I'll get this wiped down. I waited till the sun got on it to get it good and hot, and I'll show you the finished product. And that's the finished product. You can see how it totally restored it. It's going to be better than paint. And it takes about 3 days, and it'll get a really hard surface on it. Well, we appreciate y'all watching.